What if I told you that Alzheimer's isn't just a result of bad luck or old age? Leading researchers at Harvard Medical School are now calling it type 3 diabetes. It turns out your brain's biggest enemy isn't time. It's the hidden glucose spikes in your morning routine. When your blood sugar spikes, your body releases a wave of insulin. But here's the secret. The same enzyme that breaks down insulin is also responsible for clearing out the plaque in your brain. According to a landmark study in the New England Journal of Medicine, even slightly elevated blood sugar levels are directly linked to a shrinking hippocampus, the part of your brain that holds your memories. If your body is too busy fighting the sugar from your breakfast, it literally stops cleaning your brain. To protect yourself, you don't need to quit all sugar. You just need to change the order of your meal. Research from Cornell University shows that if you eat your fibers and proteins before your carbohydrates, you reduce the glucose spike by up to 75%. Instead of toast first, try a handful of walnuts or a hard-boiled egg. You're not just eating breakfast. You're creating a biological shield for your neurons. Every spike is a micro-insult to your neural network. Over decades, these insults turn into irreversible decay. The best time to start protecting your memory was 20 years ago. The second best time is your next meal. Don't let your diet steal your future. Join us at the Ageless Brain Lab by subscribing for more simplified longevity science. And as always, please consult with your physician before making changes to your health routine. Stay sharp.